Zapata air scooter. An ultralight personal flying machine. The Zapata air scooter is a modern personal flying machine that feels like something from the future. It's a small aircraft that uses a hybrid electric system, which helps keep it powerful and efficient. One of the coolest things about it is that it meets the FFAA's Part 103 rules. That means it's considered an ultralight aircraft, so you can fly it in the United States without needing a pilot's license. Unlike many other VTOL aircraft, the air scooter can stay in the air for up to 2 hours. This is possible because of its special hybrid electric propulsion system. The controls are also very user-friendly. It uses computer-assisted fly-by-wire controls which make it stable, safe, and easy to learn. You don't need much training to get comfortable with it. Another big advantage is its low environmental impact. Its hybrid setup and cleaner fuel give it a carbon footprint similar to a regular passenger car, which is great for people who want a greener flying option. Grande S1 seen an expanding mobile home. Grande S1 is a tiny house with a big surprise. It can unfold itself automatically in just 15 minutes. When it's folded, it's a compact 140 square feet, easy to tow with a pickup like an F-250. But once it expands, you get a spacious 364 square feet of living space complete with a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The walls and roof are made from insulated polyurethane panels, while the floor is strong laminate, covered plywood, all supported by a high, tensile steel frame. It's built tough yet designed for comfort. Inside you'll find all the essentials: a water heater, air conditioner, smoke and carbon dioxide alarms, and a standard RV-style water hookup. The home runs on a full 120-volt electrical system, so you can plug into the grid or go off-grid with the optional solar energy setup. The Rennery solar system comes in 5 kilowatt-hours or 40 kilowatt-hours versions, giving you flexibility based on your needs. The Grande S1 isn't just a mobile home. It's a smart, eco-friendly living solution that mixes portability with luxury. Perfect for anyone who wants freedom, comfort, and a little innovation on the road. AC/DC Nix Z3Z Affordable Off-Road Electric Skateboard. For an electric skateboard that doesn't cost a fortune and is built for serious off-roading, the AC/DC Nix Z3 is a great option. It comes with a gear drive 4.0 system and shock-absorbing channel trucks. These help keep your ride smooth and steady, no matter what kind of ground you're riding on. The Nix Z3 uses a 14's5P Samsung 50S battery, which gives it plenty of power. It can reach speeds of up to 37 mph and delivers 65 Nm of torque. Depending on the battery setup you choose, you can get a range of up to 95 kilometers, which is amazing for long rides. The board is made from high-quality CNC materials, so it's extremely strong and built to last. It can handle riders up to 150 kg. It also comes with 8-inch pneumatic wheels that offer great traction and stability. The wheels sit on CNC metal hubs, which adds even more durability. The price of the Nix Z3 has recently dropped from $1,999 to $1,599. And there are several battery options available. Hyperion, a hydrogen supercar. The Hyperion XP1 is a seriously fast car. It can hit speeds of up to 221 mph and it goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.2 seconds. But the real game changer is its hydrogen fuel system. Hyperion says the XP1 can travel over 1,000 miles on a single tank. In city and highway driving, that works out to about 1.6 miles per unit of fuel. To make hydrogen cars more practical, Hyperion plans to build its own fueling stations. They want something like Tesla's supercharger network to make it easy to fill up. Hydrogen fuel cells have a big advantage over regular batteries. E-Hang 1840 Autonomous Electric Aerial Vehicle. The E-Hang 184, made by the Chinese company E-Hang, is a pretty impressive machine. It's known as the world's first autonomous aerial vehicle, powered completely by electricity. That means it can fly on its own without a pilot, and it's cleaner for the environment, since it doesn't use fuel. The drone flies at low altitudes and can carry one person. A flight can last about 23 minutes at sea level, which is enough for short trips around a city. When it was first shown to the public at the Consumer Electronics Show in January 2016, people were amazed. It can reach a top speed of around 130 kilometers per hour, which is fast for something this compact. The E-Hyng 184 is built with several independent flight control systems. It also has real-time sensors that constantly check the flight path, helping keep the ride safe and smooth. On top of that, it uses an automatic navigation system. This means you don't need to be a trained pilot. Just set your destination and the drone does the rest. Async A1, the Cybertruck-inspired e-bike. The Async A1 is a pretty cool e-bike. Think of it as a smaller two-wheeled cousin of the Tesla Cybertruck. It has that same sharp, futuristic look. The A1 is built for almost any kind of terrain, so you can ride it in the city, on trails, or anywhere in between. What makes it really stand out is its power. It has a 1,200W motor and a 9 to 20 watt-hour detachable battery. With that setup, the A1 can reach a top speed of over 28 mph. On a full charge, it can go up to about 88 miles. If you unlock the off-road mode, you get even more fun and freedom on rougher paths. The bike also comes with full suspension, so the ride feels smooth even on bumpy ground. Instead of a regular chain, it uses a carbon belt drive, which is quiet and low maintenance. It also has smart ride features that help make your trip easier and more enjoyable. Mechanica Solo Single-Seat City EV. The Mechanica Solo is a small electric single-seat vehicle built for city life and delivery work. It has 3 wheels and is perfect for zipping around urban streets. On a single charge, it can travel up to 100 miles and reach speeds of 80 mph, which is plenty for most city trips. The Solo is powered by a rear-mounted electric motor that produces 82 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. It can carry up to 4 cubic feet of cargo, and if you add the optional cargo package, that doubles to 8 cubic feet. That makes it great for small deliveries or carrying groceries. It comes in several colors and costs less than $20,000, making it an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to a regular car. There's also an exciting project in the works. A company called Faction is developing an autonomous delivery system using the Solo. Overall, the Solo is fun, practical, and green. It's small enough to fit easily in traffic. Quiggle, the world's smallest folding bike. The Quiggle folding bike is perfect for people who live in the city and want both style and practicality. Made in Germany, this bike is known for being the smallest folding bike in the world. When folded, it measures only 55 x 40 x 25 centimeters, which is small enough to carry as hand luggage. That makes it great for trains, buses, and even tight apartment spaces. The Quiggle isn't just small, it's also very light. It weighs only about 9 to 10 kg, so you can carry it easily or pull it along like a small suitcase. Because of its smart design and unique folding system, the bike keeps its strength and comfort even though it packs down so small. Prices start at around $421 for some models. It may sound high, but the cost reflects its advanced folding mechanism, high-quality materials, and careful craftsmanship. Everything is designed to give you a long-lasting bike that's simple to store and fun to ride. Cox Lift Box. The self-lowering delivery truck. The Cox Lift Box is a smart delivery truck with a really cool trick. Its cargo box can lower all the way to the ground in about 8 seconds. You don't need ramps or lifts. It just drops down. You load or unload and it lifts back up. That might sound like a small thing, but it can save a driver a ton of time. Up to about 90 minutes on a route with lots of stops. Pretty handy if you're making deliveries all day. There are different models with weights from around 700 to 400 pounds. You can pick a diesel, gas, or even a fully electric version, depending on what works best where you drive. The truck is built strong with a steel frame, and the cargo floor has a grip surface so things don't slide around. You can also adjust the ground clearance, which helps when you're driving in tight areas or uneven spots. It comes with safety lights and a built-in system that tracks routes and helps manage fleets. And it's not just for delivery jobs. Vinci DC100, a tech forward electric bike. The Vinci DC100 is not just an electric bike, it feels like you're riding the future. It mixes speed, smart tech, and clean style. With its black and white look and full suspension system, it gives off a cool, futuristic vibe while still feeling smooth and steady on the road. It has a big removable 1920 battery, so you can ride up to 150 miles on one charge. That's a lot of trips without worrying about power. The Fern's 200W motor lets you hit speeds up to 35 mph in off-road mode, so it's fast and fun when you want it to be. But the real magic is in the tech. It has fingerprint unlock, a digital key, anti-theft alerts, and even keeps track of your riding history. You can connect it to the Async app on your phone to control and check all these features. Electra Ponto Go Sporty and Practical e-bike. The Electra Ponto Go is a super fun ride that's also really practical. It looks sporty with its black and white style and front suspension fork, but it also feels comfy and easy to handle. This bike has a strong 750W motor that can take you up to 20 mph with the thumb throttle and up to 26 mph if you're pedaling with assist. So, yeah, it's quick. You don't have to worry much about the battery either. On a full charge you can go up to 60 miles, which is plenty for most days. The LCD screen keeps you in the loop with your speed, battery life, and power mode, so you always know what's going on. Safety, they covered that. You get disc brakes in the front and back, plus built-in lights, turn signals, and a brake light so people can see you and know where you're going. The bench-style seat is great if you want to bring a friend. Palazzo Futuristic Luxury Motorhome. The Palazzo is a super fancy motorhome, kind of like an RV made by an Austrian company called Marquis Mobile. People know it because it looks really futuristic and unique. Some even say it looks like something from a sci-fi movie. The Palazzo has a smooth, sleek shape, almost like a mix between a sports car and a luxury yacht. The front is rounded and the whole body looks long and stylish. It really stands out on the road. These motorhomes come in different sizes. They can be around 12 to 20 meters long or about 39 to 65 feet. So, yeah, pretty big. Inside there's a lot of space. You get plenty of room to live, relax, and have fun. It's designed for comfort and style. Of course, all that luxury comes with a big price tag. A brand new Palazzo can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some even go over $1 million depending on what extras you choose and how customized you want it. EV4 Mountain Cart All-Terrain Electric Adventure. The EV4 Mountain Cart is an all-terrain electric cart made for adventure. It has a low center of gravity, big 20-inch wheels, and strong bicycle-style shock absorbers. That means it can handle rocky trails, bumps, and uneven ground without a problem. The ride stays smooth and stable even off-road. One great feature is the adjustable seat. It's designed so people in wheelchairs can transfer into it easily. That makes exploring the outdoors more accessible for everyone, which is really special. This cart uses two 500W motors in the rear wheels. It can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and travel about 40 to 60 kilometers on one charge. So you can go far and enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power too soon. The frame is made from riveted aluminum, so it's strong but still light. There's also a front shelf that can carry up to 20 kg of gear, perfect for bags, tools, or camping supplies. And if you want even more power, there's a 4x4 version for tougher trails and extra excitement. GM Chevrolet ENV version 2.0 concept smart city car. The GM Chevrolet ENV version 2.0 concept is an electric car designed for easy, smart city travel. It's a two-seater and it was developed together with Segway, so you know it's built with new creative ideas in mind. What makes it really cool is that it drives itself. The ENV version 2.0 can spot obstacles, avoid them, and even park on its own. It can also respond to phone calls, so it's like having a smart assistant on wheels. It's made for short city trips with a top speed of about 25 mph and a range of around 25 miles on one charge. It runs on a lithium iron phosphate battery and 2 electric motors, which keeps it clean and efficient. Chevy showed the ENV version 2.0 in 3 different theme designs called Shia, Laugh, and Pride and Meow Magic. Heart Yachting Houseboat Luxury Floating Home. The Heart Yachting Houseboat is the perfect mix of luxury, comfort, and modern design on the water. It's like having a beautiful home that can float anywhere you want to go. This stunning houseboat gives you the freedom of a yacht while keeping all the comforts of a modern home. The design is sleek and stylish. Built with high-quality materials, inside you'll find spacious rooms with everything you need: a fully equipped kitchen, cozy bedrooms, and elegant living areas. It's made for both relaxing and entertaining. Whether you're sunbathing on the deck or enjoying a quiet evening indoors, the Heart Yachting Houseboat also comes with advanced navigation systems, making it smooth and easy to operate. Plus, it's eco-friendly with solar panels and smart water management systems that help reduce your environmental impact. It's perfect for anyone who loves the idea of living close to nature without giving up comfort. Whether you want it for weekend trips or as a full-time home, this houseboat offers an incredible way to experience life on the water. With the Heart Yachting Houseboat, you get elegance, freedom, and relaxation all in one floating paradise. Hendo Hover, a real-world hoverboard prototype. The Hendo Hover is one of those inventions that feels like it came straight out of a movie. It's a real hoverboard. Yes, an actual board that floats off the ground. It was created by a company called Arx Pax, and it's one of the first working hoverboard prototypes ever made. So, how does it work? Instead of wheels, it uses 4 special hover engines. These engines create a magnetic field that reacts with certain metals like copper or aluminum. When that happens, the board lifts about 1 inch off the surface. It's a similar idea to those high-speed maglev trains, just on a smaller scale. The Hendo Hover runs on batteries and can float for about 7 to 15 minutes before it needs to be charged again. Early versions cost around $10,000, so it's definitely not a toy you casually buy at the store. Now, it has limits. It only works on special metal surfaces. It's pretty heavy at around 45 kg. It makes noise and it can hover, but it can't really move on its own without a push. Still, it's a big step forward. Halibot, a smart conversational assistant. Halibot is like having a smart friend who's always there to help. It can answer your questions, give suggestions, and even help you book things when you need to. You just type or talk to it, and it talks back in a friendly, natural way. It listens, understands what you mean, and responds like a real person. Over time, it learns from your chats and gets better at helping you. So, the more you use it, the smarter it feels. What's really cool is that Halibot works on any device: phone, laptop, tablet, doesn't matter. You can use it anywhere, anytime. It's not stuck on one platform, so you never lose access. Your privacy is a big deal, too. Halibot is built to protect your data and keep your info safe. You can relax knowing your conversations are private. It's more than a normal chatbot. It acts like your personal assistant, ready to help, answer, remind, or just keep you company when you feel like talking. Hyper-Sting Nuclear-powered supersonic concept. The Hyper-Sting is a futuristic idea for a nuclear powered supersonic plane. The goal is to completely change air travel. Imagine flying from London to New York in only about 80 minutes. That's the plan. If it becomes real, it could be one of the biggest breakthroughs in aviation. This plane is designed to hold around 30 to 170 passengers. It could reach speeds of up to 2,664 mph, which is almost twice as fast as the old Concorde. It's huge too, with a wingspan of 169 feet and a length of 328 feet. The Hyper Sting would use a special cold fusion reactor for power. It would run 2 ramjet engines and 4 hybrid turbojets. But it's important to remember this is still a concept. The technology isn't ready yet, and experts say it's unlikely to be built before 2030. Right now it exists only on paper. There's no price yet, but if you look at the design and tech, it's clear it would be extremely expensive. Still, the idea behind it is exciting. J.B. Blackstone Luxury Mobile Living. The J.B. Blackstone by J.B. Homes is a stunning example of modern mobile living. It's a stylish 463 square feet home that combines smart design with luxury and comfort. Perfect for 3 to 4 people. It offers everything you need to live comfortably without feeling cramped. Inside you'll find a spacious living area with a small but well-designed kitchenette, a cozy bedroom, and a modern bathroom. Everything feels open, bright, and thoughtfully arranged. The large sliding doors open directly onto a wide terrace, creating the perfect spot to relax, enjoy nature, or spend time with family and friends. The exterior is just as impressive. It's built with aluminum facade tiles and Siberian larch wood. Kawasaki Ninja H2R Track Exclusive Superbike. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is all about pure speed and power. It's not a street bike. It's built only for the track. This machine is made for people who want extreme performance and aren't afraid of serious speed. Inside, it has a 998cc inline-4 engine. With a supercharger it pushes out around 310 horsepower. That makes it one of the most powerful motorcycles in the world. When you hear it start, you instantly know it means business. The H2R also has advanced aerodynamics. You'll notice the carbon fiber wings right away. They help keep the bike stable at crazy high speeds. The suspension and components are high-end too, built to handle sharp turns and fast acceleration. SP80 Kiteboat World Sailing Speed Record Challenger. The SP80 Kiteboat has a huge goal. It wants to break the world sailing speed record. A team of passionate engineers and students from ETH Lausanne in Switzerland came up with the idea. They started this project in 2018 led by Xavier Leopard, Benoit Aguerrio, and Maël Vanderberg. Their dream is to hit an incredible speed of 150 km per hour on the water. The SP80 mixes kite surfing and sailing with high-level engineering. It's not a normal boat at all. To handle crazy speeds and huge forces, the team studied fast motorboats and used strong, heavy materials to build it. Everything is designed to stay steady, safe, and fast. One of the coolest parts is the foil system. It's a special design that helps the boat stay stable and cut through the water at high speeds. This tech is key for breaking the 100 km per hour barrier and pushing even further. No official price has been shared, but the project has attracted a lot of funding. Land Rover RK Antarctic Research Concept. The Land Rover RK, also called the Antarctic Research Concept, is a new idea from Land Rover. It's not just a cool vehicle. It's a smart and eco-friendly way to explore and study Antarctica. The goal is to let people learn about the environment while also protecting it. This vehicle is built for the toughest weather on Earth. Antarctica is freezing, windy, and full of rough ground, and the Ark is made to handle all of it. Land Rover wanted to show that tough and responsible can go together. The Ark is more than a ride. It's like a moving research lab. Scientists can use it to collect data and study nature. At the same time, travelers can ride along and see what real research looks like. It creates a circle where tourism helps science and science helps protect the planet. It will likely use strong materials that can handle freezing temperatures. It should also have energy-efficient power systems so it uses less fuel and makes less pollution. Plus, it will have advanced navigation tools to stay safe in the harsh Antarctic environment. The Ark shows Land Rover's bold spirit and love for adventure with care for the planet at the center. Marathon Show Coach Luxury Class A Motorhome. The Marathon Show Coach is a luxury Class A diesel motorhome made by Marathon Coach, a company famous for high-end RVs. If you want comfort and space while traveling, this RV has it all. Inside, there is plenty of room for you, your family, or your friends. It has multiple slide-outs that expand when you're parked, so the living space gets even bigger. The high ceilings make it feel open and roomy, not tight or cramped. Everything inside feels fancy and well-made. You'll see sleek stone countertops, custom cabinets, soft carpet, and stylish furniture. The kitchen is like one you'd find in a real home. It comes with big appliances like a convection oven, a dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator. You can cook a real meal on the road, not just snacks. The attention to detail is amazing too. You get leather seats, custom woodwork, and designer finishes everywhere you look. With 2 driver side slide outs, there's a lot of space to relax, stretch out, and enjoy your trip. If you want a smooth, comfortable travel experience with top-tier style, the Marathon Show Coach is made for you. It truly feels like a luxury home on wheels.